If you want to limit your iPhone from charging past a certain percentage, your options depend on what iPhone model you have. On iPhone 14 and older, you have limited options. You can go to Settings, Battery, and from there go to Battery Health and Charging. The older iPhones don't have the ability to limit charging to a certain percentage, but you'll have a toggle for optimizing battery charging. With this enabled, your phone will learn your charging habits, charge the battery to 80%, and hold it there until the very end, and finally charge it up to 100% around the time when you normally unplug your phone from the charger. Lithium-ion batteries degrade faster when they're completely full or completely empty, so limiting your charge can help expand the lifespan of your battery. On newer iPhones, you will have more options. You can go to the same battery menu, and under Charging, there's a slider that lets you choose a percentage for the maximum charge. I can set my phone to a specific percentage, and it will never charge past that. It's also good to know that even if you set your limit to something like 85%, you might wake up and see your phone at 100% occasionally. This is completely normal. Apple intentionally does this every once in a while to recalibrate the battery sensor so your percentage reading stays accurate. And that's how you limit the charge on your iPhone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.